Shorts can literally ruin your channel if you do not know how to upload shorts the right way. Yes, I'm talking from experience because there has been time where I would just upload shorts because they said shorts go viral and I can literally get 1,000 subscribers in a day if I upload shorts, and I'll just upload shorts and I continue to arm my channel much more than I am trying to save my channel. So if you do not know how to upload shorts the right way, you are going to be hurting your channel more. You're just going to realize that you're uploading shorts, you're getting views, but it's literally not converting to money. Because let's be honest here, you can get 1 million views on shorts and you will not make as much as you would make on a long form content. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy that I use to drive traffic from my short form content to my long form content, and you are going to be glad that you watched this video because it's literally going to save you a lot of time, going to save you time, it's going to save you money, it's going to save you from wasting your time and energy doing what doesn't work, and teach you the right way to upload shorts in order to get monetized, or even after you get monetized, in order to get that money from your long form. So let's go.
So this is exactly how to upload shorts on your channel. You are going to click on that plus button. You see a place for shorts, and keep in mind that you can only upload shorts via mobile. So I'm going to be testing it with this video that I have. It's like 90 minutes long, but I do not have other short form content on my phone, so we are going to try it with this. And you can also edit on the mobile app. See, this is the place that you can edit from that split icon. You can literally delete any part that you don't want from the YouTube app. Also, if you click on the text icon, you can change to literally any text. This text is going to give your video a title, so you can write any keywords that you want. For example, now I'm writing money mindset, and I'm trying to change the boldness of the video, the color. I'm also going to click on this line to change where it's going to be, as you can see. So you can change the font as well on YouTube. You can do all of this on the YouTube app. So I'm not going to post this video. I just want to show you exactly how you're going to post shorts the right way. Also, you can add filters to your videos. You can generate caption if your video does not have a caption, but this particular video has caption already, so I'm not going to be generating caption for it. Also, if you are not talking in your video, you can add voiceover directly from the YouTube app. Just click on the icon that I clicked and you're going to see a place for voiceover. You can have stickers like this ask a question stickers. You can just literally choose any sticker, any engagement type that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and click on next to show you this part. I want to show you how to add sounds to your videos without getting copyright, but this video is longer than 1 minute, so I'm just going to edit it to be shorter. So if you're always getting copyrights in your shorts whenever you upload, it is because you are uploading your videos with sounds already. It's better to upload your videos with no sound, especially if you are not talking. Then come on here to sound and come and search for music on the YouTube app. YouTube prefers if you are adding songs or music to your videos directly from the app, instead of you already adding it maybe in your CapCut or in Shorts. YouTube is going to strike it as copyright. So if you are usually getting that, this is exactly how you are going to do it. If you already have a song in mind, please, you are going to search on the icon and then you are going to click on that. You see, it's going to process and then you already have sounds in that video, but I'm not going to add sounds here because it's original voice. It's not going to get copyright because I am talking. But if you are not talking, that is how to add sounds. And if you already have it, you just need to export your videos with no sound and upload to Shorts if you do not want to get copyright. I'm just going to click on next, and that place that it says caption your short, I'm going to put my title. Ensure that it is a very curiosity based title or a keyword based title, and only add one hashtag, because if you had multiple hashtags in short, YouTube will not going to know how to rank it. It can literally affect how much your views is going to get. And you see that part that says related video, this is exactly where you are going to link your long form content to your short. That way you are going to drive traffic to your long form content from your short form content. I did not alter this content, so I'm just going to click on no and then set this video to unlisted so that I can finish everything that I want to do. And also, my videos are always no, it is not made for kids, because this video are usually not made for kids. If it just is made for kids, you can click on yes, and this is where you are going to select subtitles. You see where the cursor is going. I'm going to choose the part that I know that is going to drive curiosity and choose that as my thumbnail. You can see that I already showed that part.
So that is basically how to upload shorts the right way. And also, I like to advise people to not upload shorts for uploading sake. Upload your shorts with strategy. So do not have a specific niche on your short page, and then on your long form content you have a different niche. You are literally building a parallel audience, and you are going to kill your channel. You are going to wake up one day and you see that you upload a video, and in 7 days you have now made 10 views. Yeah, it can go as crazy as that. So one thing that I always advise my students and my subscribers is that upload shorts with strategy. And what do I mean by strategy? Ensure that your short form content and your long form content are in the same niche. So if on your short form you upload vlogs, on your long form also ensure that you're uploading vlogs. If on your long form what to talk about is YouTube growth, ensure that also on your short form what you talk about is YouTube growth. Don't go and be uploading beauty content on your short form, and then on your long form you're uploading vlogs. You're building parallel audience, and parallel audience is going to kill your channel. It is true shots that you're gaining subscribers, because you can literally get 1,000 subscribers with shorts overnight. And imagine you having 1,000 subscribers that subscribe because of your beauty short content that you post, only to come to your long form content and they are finding YouTube quotes. They're going to be like, we are not here for this. They are not going to click on your videos. And if they don't click for your on your videos, the algorithm is going to see that as a negative review. So the algorithm is not going to push your videos. And that is how you're going to kill your channel until eventually it is dead. So one thing that I always advise is that use your short form content to promote your long form content. And what do I mean? There are literally tools out there that can help you bring your long form content into short form content. I recommend this video in like my last two videos, I guess. Opus Clip will literally help you break down your long form content into short form content that you can post on your short page, that is going to literally drive traffic to your long form content. And okay, you don't want to use tools, you want to upload shorts by yourself like the way I do. What you have to do is like record a short form content by yourself, literally in the same niche that you are in your long form content, and post on your short form content. Then go to your related video on that short, and then you include that long form content in your short form content, so that when people are done watching your shorts, they see recommended content of your long form content, and by then maybe 10% of them will click on it, and that is how you drive that traffic. And you will see an increase in your engagement, you see an increase in your subscribers if you follow this strategy. This is the strategy that I teach my students in Monetize in 90 days. Then if you're interested, you can click the link in my bio, or you check the pinned comment. That will literally change your life and take you from 0 to 100. So that is it. If you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and of course leave your thoughts down in the comment section. And see you in my next video. Bye.